Previously on JPS Manual Run Business.
I know people may say, hey, if you're that tough enough, what I got me? And I don't know, like some young class, me no care, yeah. The boss pay me chop off people like, and I keep me a go do. I don't care no shit. Come out of my way. We are dead. Oh, we are going to sleep tonight. Sleep in a camp. If I could have been like we are going to sleep in a tonight. We're not going to sleep tonight. Backside. Somebody mad. I go still chop off your lights at the backside. No, nothing can do it. Right now, I go put the bar right there. So, right there. Backside, man. Electricity is strong. The backside. Wow. Oh, God. My God, my God. Go call the boss. Hello, boss. You know, see that wire your cornwall do. You say, come now, we cannot chop the light up again, you know, boss. Take out meter. Boss, me no know nothing about light.
How far do we have this?
You find me at school, I do metal work and welding, you know. You see that boy, you good, you know. Hello. Boss. Bossy. God. The palm me going to backside. Me gone.